it's Nathan with Pacific Northwest Lawn Care. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on what I do to winterize my lawnmower and give you some ideas on what you can do yourself. Everybody does theirs a little different, but this is what I do. So this is my new Toro Super Recycler that I bought back in late September, October. And even though I haven't had it very long, the Toro recommends that you change the oil after 5 hours of use, and I'm probably pretty close to that. Plus it's getting into winter time, so I'm just going to go ahead and change the oil. And then clean it up, check the air filter, and have it ready for winter. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put this spill pad down. You can pick these up anywhere, any auto parts store has them. Just catches the oil, just like a diaper. And get this loose, change the oil, and then I'll check everything else, and then we'll clean it up. You just tip this over and try and not make too much of a mess. But that's why I use the spill pad and decided to not wash it beforehand so I can clean it up afterwards. Would probably be better if I got like a small pie tin, something like that, something smaller to catch this in. But it's what I have, so it's what I'm going to use, and it's working. It's coming out of there slowly. Not extremely dirty. I believe it's all out there. And this is why I have the catch pad. A little bit of a mess, not too bad. Okay, so Toro recommends you can use 30 weight oil, 10W30, any detergent type oil, which most of them are. I happen to have some 30 weight on hand, so I'm going to use it. Usually I think Toro says these take about 16 ounces, but I kind of question that. We'll just do it slowly and see what we come up with here. I'm going to put about 8 and see where it's at. Yeah, it's pretty close. Let's see where we're at. Go figure. Right on the money. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just check the air filter, make sure it's clean, see if I need to get a new one. On the Super Recycler, it's right here by the gas fill. Just pop these 2 clips off. It should pop right, the lid comes right off. There is a foam pre-filter here that's not too dirty. Just going to leave it. And we'll check this air filter real quick. It's, as I expected, it's pretty clean. It's a new lawnmower. I've only had it, what, 2 months. So we'll just put this back together. Now, normally what I would do next is put some stabilizer in the fuel, but I don't have any, and I'm too lazy to just go get some. Plus, I'm not 100% sure this is going to be the end of my season just yet. I may still get 1 or 2 more uses out of it. We've had some freezing, but nothing to keep the grass from growing slowly. It's still growing. So I'm going to skip that part for today. So now I'm just going to clean up the deck and check the blade to see if we need to sharpen it. Toro has this hose end attachment to clean the deck. I've never tried it. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to put a hose on it and let's see if it works. Alright, so I'm not a big fan of how much is still left here. So I'm gonna take the blade off and then just clean it up. Alright, I'm sure somebody's gonna call me out on this, but before you take the blade off or do anything, you should unplug the spark plug just up front here. So that's off, and then just tip it back over. We'll get to cleaning this out. I don't try to get it perfectly clean, just get the bulk of it. So this blade's still pretty sharp. I don't think I'm gonna mess with it. We'll save it for another video. Just clean it up. I forgot to mention was make sure you plug your spark plug back in when you're finished, and you can dry the mower off if you think it's going to freeze later that night. That pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.